Welcome, today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into VIVO Y01. First of all, open your phone application. Then in the top right corner we got 3 dots, so click it and choose settings. Here go into block numbers, and now how you can see we got here 2 numbers, so for unblocking these numbers click here to unblock. So confirm operation, click unblock one more time, and that's it. Maybe let's try again. So this one number, click here, confirm operation, click unblock, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.